guys, it's Kelsey here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I go from straight back to curly, and I did pre-film this a while ago. I know you guys were wondering if I did it after you watched Kendra's, and I did film it for you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm just starting out with my hair in this bun that had been in my head for about a week, and my hair had been straightened here for about a full month. So it was pretty dirty. It might not look that dirty, but it was pretty dirty. So I like to go in and just brush my hair out first and brush all the natural oils all the way to my ends. So I don't use any extra oils on my hair before I go in and shampoo. I just brush my hair out to make sure there aren't any tangles before I go in and shampoo. That was just a week worth of shedding in my hair because I hadn't brushed my hair in about a week there. So yeah, but first thing I just do is go straight to the water. Good old H2O is the main thing that gets your hair back curly, of course. Most of you already know this, but I just always thought it was funny when people used to ask me how I got my hair curly, and I was like, water. But yeah, so I'm just going in first with some warm water, of course, before we go in and shampoo. You need water before you shampoo. So the first thing I like to do is go in with a clarifying shampoo, and this is probably my #1 favorite. I'm probably being biased because this is the school that I graduated from. This is the Aveda Rosemary Mint Purifying Shampoo. This gets all the buildup off my scalp, all the dandruff, and every time I go back curly from being straight, my scalp is always extremely itchy because I stretch my straight hair for a really long time. Like I said, my hair had been straightened for about a month, so it had been a month since I washed my hair. So I always feel like I need to go in with a clarifying shampoo first to make sure I get all that buildup and dandruff off of my scalp. So I just let the water rinse through my ends with this first wash because this is a really drying shampoo, but it is a purifying shampoo, so that's what it's supposed to do. So the second wash, I like to use my Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative hair wash, and this is a really good shampoo that does not dry out your hair. So I like to go in with this as my second wash so that my hair isn't a complete nightmare to detangle when I go in to condition after. So I've been using this shampoo for years. You guys have seen me use this before. It's one of my favorites, so I do drag this one through my ends just a little bit. And this is actually also a really good shampoo to use weekly when you do your wash and goes. So not only is this a good shampoo to use after you're going from straight to curly, but I also like to use this sometimes before I do my wash and goes as well. So one thing I do notice about my hair when I go back curly is that it gets extremely poofy faster. Like, it's a lot more poofy, so the shampoo takes forever to rinse out of my hair, as you can see. But this is my hair without any product in it right after I rinsed the shampoo out. So to condition, I'm going to be using one of my favorite conditioners. This is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Conditioner. This is one of my favorites. It's definitely in my top 5 of conditioners. It smells amazing. It works amazing. Has great slip. So this is one of my favorite conditioners to use before I go in and deep condition. So I always like to condition before I deep condition. It's like a prep to kind of prepare my hair for deep conditioning. And it also helps get any tangles out of my hair. So after I rinse that out, I like to leave a little bit of it in, and I rinse all the excess water out of my hair, and I'm gonna go in with 2 deep conditioners from Aunt Jackie's. These are their butter fusions. The first one that I'm gonna use is the Bamboo and Avocado Protein Mask. I like to go in with a t-shirt to get any excess water out of my hair to make sure that the deep conditioner absorbs really well. So I like to apply deep conditioner to damp hair, not wet hair. So I'm just gonna apply this to each side of my head and work it through from roots to tips, so I get this everywhere. This is my problem area, so I apply a lot there. The front left side of my head has heat damage at all times. I feel like I always get heat damage there. I don't know if it's because it's like the weaker part of my hair. I'm not sure, but I've always gotten heat damage there. This is the second deep conditioner that I'm going in with. This is the Magic Mend, and this is the Acai and Honey Thermal Repair Mask. So this is specifically for heat damage. So I apply a little bit of this over top of the other one. And if you guys want a full deep conditioning routine video, I did film one a while ago, but I do the exact same thing. I'll leave that video in the description box for you guys to check out if you haven't already. But I like to use 2 shower caps because 1, I'm extra, and 2, this just intensifies the deep conditioning process. So I did cover this with heat and I left it on for about 3 hours after. So yeah, these are my curls after I did my wash and go. This is my hair wet, so it's air drying. This is not my hair completely dry yet. This is the wash and go I did. I used the Kukui Oil Conditioner by OGX, and I used my Spiralicious gel from Jessicurl. So that's a really good combo if you guys want to try that out. But yeah, this was my hair air drying, and my curls look pretty good. I do have a little bit of heat damage in the front on the left side, like I said, but that's usually where I get heat damage. But the rest of my hair looks pretty good. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.